Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you guys how I created this faux fur table runner centerpiece for my dining room table with just one product from Dollar Tree. So to create this DIY, the only product you'll need is a white microfiber cloth that you can find in the auto section at Dollar Tree. And make sure you get the white one and not the yellow one. Now to create this table runner centerpiece, you just take the microfiber cloth and you cut it to the shape that you want. This towel naturally comes in a rectangular shape, but I wanted my table runner centerpiece to be a little bit more slimming on the sides, so I'm going to cut it to the shape that I wanted. But you can also cut this into an oval shape, a circle shape. You can even cut it into a blob type of shape where it looks like animal skin. You can basically do whatever shape you desire for your table or for your DIY. Now when it comes to cutting this cloth, you want to make sure that you use fabric scissors, because fabric scissors are very sharp and precise to cut fabric, especially this type of material. If you try to use any other scissors, it won't work and it will snag the microfiber cloth. And this was the shape that I was going for my DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I gave you guys ideas on how you can create a beautiful faux fur table runner centerpiece for your home. If you would like to see how I made this mirror flower arrangement, I will leave the link to the video down below in the description box where I share with you guys how I made it. And these two candle holders are also an upcoming DIY that I'll be sharing on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified on all my new videos coming up. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed what you saw today. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other two videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.